Hi, my name is Lucia. You can call me Lucy, and today we're going to be learning how to multiply using one-digit numbers. So I'm going to share my screen so we can do a couple of examples. So let's start. 8 times 2, 16, right? Okay, first thing to note that I forgot to mention, we always start on our right. So first we do 8 times 2, which is 16. So you write a 6 here, but then you take the 1 here. And now we do 2 times 5, which is 10, plus the 1 is 11, and therefore you have 1 here and 1 over here. And now finally, 2 times 1, 2, plus this one here, 3. I'm just gonna do another page so that I can show more examples and see if it works. Not sure if you guys can see it. Wait, share. Okay. Now I know you can see it. I'm sorry for that. Okay, let's keep going. Remember, you always start with your right. So you do 3 times 0, which is 0. Then you do 3 times 6, 18. Do 8, and don't forget that the 1 goes here because it was 18. And then 3 times 5, it's 15, plus this 1, 16. So now you get to write, 1, 6. Let's do another one. Remember, start on your right side. So 2 times 1, it's 2. 2 times 1, it's 2. Finally, 2 times 2, 4. Let's do another one. 3 times 4 is 12. Don't forget the 1 goes here. Then 3 times 7, 21, plus this is 23. And finally, 3 times 8, 24, plus 2, 25. Oops. Oh, I miscounted, I'm sorry. It was 26 instead of 25. I added wrong. But you get the idea. Let's do one more. So 3 times 2, that's 4. 2 times 1, 2. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Awesome. And you basically just keep going. The important thing, there's 2 important things to remember. You always start on your right, so you always start like this. Then go middle, and then go here, okay? Always start on the right side. The second important thing to notice is that if this 2 multiplied is a number higher than 9, so 10, 11, 12, or whatever, you always have to put the first digit here. So 5 times 8, right? Okay, imagine it was 901 times 8. This is 8. There is no need to put anything on the top, right? But 8 times 5 is 40. So here would go the 0, and here it would go the 4. Okay? Because it's 40. This number always goes here, and this number will go on the top. Okay, those are the two main important things to know when doing a multiplication with a one-digit number. And apart from trying to keep up with the numbers that are on the top, sometimes I also make mistakes. I forget to add the 1, or I forget to add the 4 over here. Just try your best to do it slowly so that you don't make addition mistakes like the one I did. That's the main important thing. Try to keep in mind these numbers. Don't forget that the numbers that are on top, you have to add them at the end. So that's it. Those are basically the main things to notice. Let's do this one just for the sake of having it. Like I said, times 540, 0. 8 times 0 is 0. But with this, you add 4. So the answer is 4. And now 9 times 8. I don't know if you guys know the trick for the multiplications tables of the 9 with your fingers, but you basically just put this one down, and I know it's 72. So since there are only 2 boxes left, and this is the last number, I can write 72. Okay? And if you want any more practice, feel free to use this website. It's really, really good. It has a bunch of examples, and if you make a mistake, on the bottom it'll tell you how to do it step by step. Like on one of them, I made an addition mistake, and you just scroll down and see the mistake that you did, which is good. It's good to know. We're all human. We all make mistakes sometimes in a little addition, but we make them. So this website is so good because it tells you when and step by step, and you can see where you went wrong and where you had problems. So I'd recommend you guys to do a couple of problems here to try to get the hang of it. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great weekend and a great week. Bye.